The CloEE service is a SaaS solution with a cloud-based server part that receives and processes the data. To use the service, the client must install a Windows and Linux-compatible Edge adapter, which requires practically no system resources. Its task is to collect data from the local network devices and redirect the encrypted traffic to the cloud server. Thus, there is no need for the client to deploy the server itself and install client sites. All users connect to the system remotely from a browser. Each user can access the cloud-based web service using his or her username and password from both a mobile and desktop computer. The main service screen displays the main dashboard, showing real-time data from the machines. On this dashboard, we can see information for each machine, as well as the reasons for the machine's downtime over the last few hours or a full day. This information can be viewed for any unit in production and for any time interval. Detailed statistics are available for every machine and can be accessed by opening the list of statuses and looking in detail at each time interval to see the status of specific equipment at any given moment. We can also display various parameters. For example, parameters of active and total power, or any other parameters whose transmission is enabled by the CNC controllers. We can also view the history of equipment's operation in the form of a diagram and see detailed information about the operating statuses of equipment and reasons for downtime for further analysis. The data can be supplied in tabular format for export to various report forms. The work history mode provides the ability to view data for any period of time, from 1 minute to several years. In general, it replicates the real-time mode. The event monitoring mode enables the user to view the list of various events that occurred on the equipment at different intervals for subsequent analysis. CloEE offers its clients a number of dynamic and static reports, both pre-configured and customizable. Dynamic reports are provided in the form of a report on equipment utilization and a detailed report on the status of the machines and the reasons for downtime. Let's take a look at the equipment utilization report. This report can be provided for different levels: at the level of an enterprise, a single unit, a group of machines, a specific machine, and in the context of CNC operators. In this report, we see different indicators for effective utilization, total equipment utilization, and time spent in different statuses. We can also display this in the form of graphs. The downtime report gives the user a clear analysis of the causes of downtime. Like the previous report, it's broken down by machines and operators and shows how effectively the equipment worked at a particular period of time. You can generate graphs. But the most interesting thing about this report is that you can see in detail how much downtime each machine had, and why it was idle and did not produce anything. The static reports have a wider range. There are also reports on equipment utilization and reasons for downtime. One of the reports deals with energy efficiency. This report shows how much electricity was used by the plant, workshop, machine overall, and how much electricity was used for production and how much was wasted during equipment downtime. This enables our customers to optimize energy costs by reducing downtime and increasing equipment uptime. The report gives an understanding of how efficiently each machine is running. This information can then be used for various reports on energy efficiency monitoring and analysis. The NC Unit Event Log mode enables you to see what actions the operator performed on the machine on the CNC controller. This can be useful, for example, to determine the cause of manufacturing defects. There is also the time log, which keeps a detailed record of the machine operator's shifts, showing when each began and finished their shift. This report can be used for setting and monitoring KPIs of machine operators and payroll calculation. The NC Program Executive Journal shows the user a list of the NC programs loaded and run on the machine, which have been loaded into the CNC controller at a certain time to perform specific technological operations. Production KPIs. This is the target dashboard that contains target production indicators, which all the industrialists strive for and for which all the monitoring is conceived. This dashboard consolidates all the data from all the machines. This data has flexible settings, meaning each user can specify the key indicator that is important to them. The dashboard also enables you to see the performance of each piece of equipment and view its key indicators in the form of charts and graphs. The summary analysis mode enables you to view the overall picture of the plant's equipment operation and obtain detailed statistics on the operating and non-operating state of the equipment for further analysis.